Say that again. What car is it?
Definitely the best car.
This is what I mean about car meets. Jesus. What's that? Brake horsepower on that again?
It's 199.6.
199 in this little Colt. It's amazing.
The 4G 1.5 Mavic turbo, it says on it.
Yeah.
The rest of it? Yeah. It's all in the boot.
So 9 years ownership of this.
Yeah, 9 years. Just under 20,000 miles I've had in 9 years.
Wow. Not your standard stereo system, is it?
No, one was in there with rubbish. So I just upgraded.
So what stereo is that?
It's a Sony head unit
Yeah.
and obviously a OE audio with
Right.
these speakers, and they've got the same speakers in the doors.
Okay.
I had a sticky one, so I changed them,
Yeah.
and that's how they come. It's half Mercedes.
Actually, clean underneath.
Yeah, it's all clean underneath.